Here, I am only using half of the squash. Peel off the skin and cut them into pieces. It really doesn't matter how big or small they are because we are going to boil them. To make this butternut squash halwa, I need some butternut squash, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup ghee or clarified butter, and some cashews, which is optional. And this is what all we need to make this yummy butternut squash halwa. Now I'm going to add just enough water to cook the squash till soft. Make sure the water is below the squash level, and even if the water is more after you cook, it's okay, you can just strain it. Now I'm cooking my squash. Now my squash is all well cooked and it is soft. It has some extra water that I'm going to strain now. Now I'm straining the extra water. Now I strained all the extra water and I'm going to smush this butternut squash into a smooth paste without any lumps. Now my smooth squash paste is ready without any lumps. Now I'm going to heat the pan on the stove. Now it's hot. I'm going to add my ghee. Once the pan was hot, I added some ghee and I'm going to roast my cashews. Now my cashew is all roasted. I'm going to keep it aside. Now add some more ghee and add the puree. Let it cook for some time, maybe around like 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. It's been 8 minutes now and you can see all the water has been evaporated. Now I'm going to add my sugar. I'm adding my sugar. I'm mixing it well. Always remember, whenever you add sugar, it's going to be a little watery. Now you can add a teaspoon of ghee. And cook for some more time till you get the halwa consistency. I'll show you in between. While it's cooking, add some more ghee in between. Now you can see it's getting thicker. One more spoon ghee. And mix it well. The ghee that we added is coming out on the sides. Now you can see it's more glossy. I'll show you. Ghee started to coming out and it's coming out of the pan without sticking. So it's almost done. So now this is the correct consistency and you can see the entire ghee came out. Now we can turn off the stove and transfer it into a different container. Now you see all the ghee that we added is separated. Yummy butternut squash halwa is ready. We can garnish it with the cashews. Thank you for watching my video.